Hello guys, I'm back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teams. I'm here to start my video lesson. And the topic is solve quadratic equation by factoring. Yes, that is our second way how to solve the quadratic equation, and that is by factoring. So let me give you some examples. So our example number 1, solve the quadratic equation x squared is equal to negative 7x by factoring. So our given is x squared is equal to negative 7x. So what is this? That will be our step. Our first step is transform the quadratic equation into a standard form if necessary. Because of our given is not the standard form, so we need to transform. So it become x squared plus, yes, that is plus 7x equals 0. The next step is factor the quadratic expression. Our expression is x squared plus 7x, so we need to factor that. And it become x times the quantity x plus 7 is equal to 0. Our next step is apply the zero product property. And it become x equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0. And the next step, we need to solve each resulting equation. Because x equals 0 is already solved, and that will be the answer for that. But the other one in x plus 7 is equal to 0. To solve that, our x is equal to negative 7. Yes, and that is our answer. X equals 0 and x is equal to negative 7. Our last step is we will check the values of the variable obtained by substituting each in the original equation. So our given is x squared is equal to negative 7x. That is our original equation. If x is 0, we need to substitute 0 into x. So it becomes 0 squared is equal to negative 7 times 0. So it becomes 0 is equal to 0. If x is negative 7 class, so we need to substitute. It becomes negative 7 quantity squared is equal to negative 7 times negative 7. And that is 49 is equal to 49. So therefore class, our solution 0 and negative 7 is our answer. Because these two solutions are satisfy our original equation. And the answer is 0 and negative 7. Yes, and that will be using by factoring. Okay, let's have second example. Again, solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 8x equals 0 by factoring. So our given is x squared minus 8x is equal to 0. So, first step is to transform. What do you think in our given? It's already transformed or not yet? Yes, it's already transformed. Our second step is factor. So, our given x squared minus 8x, we will factor that. So, it becomes x times x minus 8 equals 0. And the next step is to apply the zero product property. So it becomes x equals 0 and x minus 8 is equal to 0. So let us solve. X equals 0 and x is equal to positive 8. And that is the two solution. So let us check. the values of the variable obtained by substituting each in the original equation. So if x is 0, when we substitute 0, so it becomes 0 quantity squared minus 8 times 0 is equal to 0. And the answer is 0 is equal to 0. So they are equal. If x is 8, so x is equal to 8. 8 substitute into x. So it becomes 8 quantity squared minus 8 times 8 equals 0. So the answer is 64 minus 64 equals 0. And that is 0 is equal to 0. Yes. Therefore, what's our solution? Our solution is 0 and 8 because these two solutions are satisfy our original equation. And that is our number 2 example. And this is the last one, last example to understand. Solve the quadratic equation 2x squared equals 6x by factoring. So our given is we need to transform. Yes, we need to transform that. So it becomes 2x squared minus 6x equals 0. And next step is to factor, and that will be 2x times the quantity x minus 3 equals 0. So let us apply the zero product property. So we have 2x equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. Let us solve. So 2x equals 0, when we divide that into 2, so we got x is equal to 0. And if x minus 3 equals 0, therefore we have x is equal to positive 3. And that is the solutions. So again, we need to check the values of the variable obtained by substituting each in the original equation. Okay, let us check our original. So if x is 0, so let's substitute 0 into x. So it becomes 2 times the quantity 0 squared is equal to 6 times 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Yes, that's correct. 0 is equal to 0. If x is 3, let us substitute 3 into x. So it becomes 2 times the quantity 3 squared is equal to 6 times 3. And therefore, we have 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 18 is equal to 18. So they are equal again. So no class, these two solutions, 0 and 3, satisfies our given original equation. So meaning these two solution is correct. Yes. So guys, naintindihan nyo ba? So if you have any question guys, just comment in our comment under sa ibaba ng YouTube channel natin. May mga comments dyan. Pwede kayong mag-comment na kung kailangan ulitin, kung kailangan bigyan ng more example, I will give you that. And thank you guys. Thank you and God bless. Again, this is Math with Teens. I hope you understand our my topic today. Okay, see you next time guys. So marami pa tayong mga example ng by factoring. I hope na meron kayong natutunan today. See you guys next time and God bless. Thank you for watching.